Machine man doing machine things, I guess. Alright guys, I'm here at my vending machine and I'm about to start showing you some parts that are going to keep coming up when you have issues with your vending machine. I think it's good that you should know these parts so you can have a better conversation with your tech support team when these issues arise. So without further ado, let's get into it.
One machine man!
Wagwan, we're done the machine man doing machine things. I'm Jason Edmund, aka Machine Man, bringing you content on the vending machine business like locations, proposals, products and services, and vending machines. If this is our first time meeting, welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing. But if you return, I'm a good friend, Island Girl Queen Drew, salute and big up yourself. Let's go. Alright guys, here we are at my location. I just came here to take care of a quick build jam, and I thought today would be a good day for me to just get into some terminology that vending operators have to deal with on a daily basis. When you get into the vending machine business, as you become a vending operator, you're going to come across some terms that you're going to have to communicate with your tech support team on issues you may have with your vending machine. When I started, a lot of these terms I didn't know, and I used to call tech support and be like, the part that spins, the part that makes this noise, the part that does this. I also took for granted that some of the terms I've been using in some of my past videos you may not be familiar with, and I thought today is the day for me to get into some terms that will help you in transitioning into this business, and you would be able to move more swiftly to a solution to your problem. That being said, we can get into some vending terms that I think you should know to help you have a smooth transition when you get into the business. First and foremost, this is a 5-wide vending machine. It's taken from the first tray, which has 5 selection across, 5 wide, a 6 wide would be 6 selection, and a 3 wide would be 3 selection. That's the first thing. So this is my trays again. This is a 5-wide machine, so we got 5 selections across. These right here are coils. Oh, before I get to the coils, these are product guiders. Product guiders, these guide the product along the lane. These are coils. At the back of each of these coils are motors. If you can see right here, you can see this white motor right here. These are motors at the back of each of these coils. Now these are called coils or spirals or augers. Every time you use the word auger, I think of that Shrek movie where the king said, "He's just an auger."
He's an ogre. What did you expect?
But this is an auger. The edge of the spirals, the edge of the coils are called product pushers or kickers. Product pushers or kickers. I install these specifically because I find they help me a lot because they push the product out. Sometimes some snacks are thicker than some are thinner than some. So the kicker kind of helps to ensure the product gets pushed down to the delivery bin. So I like to have them. I specifically order these especially for my single tray selection machines. So the product, you buy the product falls into the delivery bin. This is the delivery bin on the outside. This is where the customer collects his product. On the delivery bin, you see this red light right here? This sensor is called the iVend. For this particular manufacturer, it's called the iVend. It's also called the guaranteed vend. So basically how this works, this red light, if you put my hand in, see the red light goes, move it, it's back again. Hand in, red light goes, move it, back again. This red light is a sensor that basically if the coil spins, the spiral spins, and there's no product falls and breaks the sensor, it's going to tell the machine to spin that spiral again. The spiral spins a second time. If nothing breaks the sensor, the machine will send you a notice and say, hey, that selection is empty, please make another selection. But as I said before, some products are thicker than some are thinner than some. So if the product needs a second revolution, it would spin again and it would fall, and then it would stop spinning once something breaks this sensor. But this is a very important part to have in your machine. Most manufacturers have it equipped in the machine, but if they don't, you should probably look into getting that. All right, this is where the magic happens. Now the customer puts in his paper money here, his bills here. This is called the bill acceptor. The bill acceptor, on the inside, this is how it looks. Bill acceptor, this is called the cash box. This is the cash box where all the bills are stacked. It's stacked in the cash box, you can see. So that's what that is. So that's a bill acceptor. This machine is equipped with a credit card reader, but I'll get into that another time. This is the coin Mech. Now on the outside, you put your coins in right here. They're funneled through right here, and they go into the coin Mech. So the coin Mech is made up of two parts. This is the coin acceptor. This accepts the coin, and it goes into these four tubes. These four tubes is called the changer. This is what makes you change when you put in a higher bill for a cheaper product. So when a customer comes and keeps putting coins in, it replenishes the changer. So you should never be out of coins unless they keep using bills, a lot of high bills and big bills. But the coin Mech it gets replenished when the customer uses coins, and the overflow, when the tubes are full, the coins go into the coin box right at the bottom. So this is where the overflow goes. So that's the magic. That's what happens. That's what every operator is looking forward to, a full cash box, a full coin box. That's basically it. This right here is considered a location or an account. You should hear these words being used interchangeably, but they actually are different. Now, I could have an account, but have different locations for machines within that same account, right? So this would be a location. It so happens that this account, I have only one location of a vending machine. But I have locations where I have more than one machine at that account. So just to get the difference, there's an account and there's locations. Let me say that again. The account is where you do business at, but you may have several machines at that account. So where those machines are placed would be the different locations within that account. Hope that cleared that up. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. So I just wanted to give you guys a few terms that you're going to keep coming up on in the vending machine business. Don't want to overwhelm you with too many terms. I just want to get you started with some of the things that I've been saying in some of my videos, and the things that are going to come up a lot when you get into the vending machine business. Machine man doing machine things, you know that. Make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more content in the vending machine business. Also, hit the notification bell so you know every time I release new content. I want to hear from you guys in the comment section, so leave me a comment. Machine man doing machine things. I'm out. Terms that you're going to keep coming up. I'm going to give you some of the terms that you're going to keep. And I'm about to show you some parts in the vending machine that I think I'm going to show you some parts in the vending machine that you're going to keep. Whoa! Welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing. But I'm going to do that over again, guys. Don't fret yourself.